Okay, here's a normal, everyday video of some teenagers out for some fun, taking turns jumping into the river, right? Well, if you're seeing it here, you know there's more to it than that. Just keep watching. The last thing you want to hear after you jump into the water is what this guy's buddy yells out. Check out this dramatic footage caught on a head-mounted GoPro camera. It's enough to make you never want to go into the water again. Australia is home to nature's deadliest snakes, and if that's not enough, you're not even safe from them out in the ocean.
Look at this, the big old dog. Please, hey, come on, mate.
Check out this absolute unit of a snake crossing a road captured on dashcam. It's so massive that its head makes it to the other side of the road before its tail even begins to cross. India is an amazing place. Depending on where you are, you could come into contact with tigers, rhinos, lions, bears, monkeys, and in this case, a massive elephant. Word of advice, just stay in the car, dude. Pythons can grow to astonishing lengths. Check out this massive python these guys pull out of a storm drain. I dare you not to think about this video next time you pass a storm drain in your neighborhood.
I'm okay. Guys,
no! Oh my god! Oh my god! No! That's so much bigger than
oh my gosh!
Bro!
Oh my god! Bro, be careful!
Get out!
I need help!
How you gonna, bro?
Be careful! What are you gonna do? Put him on land? Let him tire out. He's wrapping around my legs. Okay.
You want to put in the net? What do you want to do?
Oh my gosh! I'm gonna hold him. Oh my gosh!
You have plenty of space back here.
Yes. Look at the size of this!
Cover the hole! Cover the hole!
Cover the hole! Oh my gosh! Oh look, guys! Look how big this is! Look how big this snake is!
Bro.
Hey, I don't want his head biting.
I will.
Here's a tip. If you see a rattlesnake coiled up and asleep, don't do what this guy did. This, my friends, is a goblin shark. It's literally a leftover from the age of the dinosaurs. And once you see its distinctive mouth, you'll understand what I mean. Fossilized examples of this deep-sea monster date back as far as 125 million years. Here we have a pride of lions just going about their business and checking out some cars that are, in turn, checking them out. Watch as one of the lionesses actually tries to open one of the car doors. I guess she needed a ride. Here we have another wildcat stalking some prey. Let's watch and see what happens as the cat readies itself to pounce. Watch the skillful level of Beastmaster finesse this guy has as he stops a charging bull elephant by just raising his arm. The elephant completely backs down. Wild stuff. Hippos are the world's deadliest mammals, after humans of course. Watch the two most fearsome mammals come face to face as this zookeeper tries to convince this hippo to get back to their side of the enclosure.
अरे बड़ा सीधा सा जानवर है। गया।
All this time I thought cats hated the water, but this wildcat certainly has no problem with it as he swims up close to this fisherman. Check out the hissing from this massive cat. Spine-chilling for sure. In certain parts of India, seeing tigers out and about is a regular occurrence. These motorcyclists stop to get a good look at this massive tiger by the side of the road. Okay, but my question is, if that tiger decides to make a move, can those motorcycles rev up quick enough to get out of there in time? I'd have to bet on the tiger.
भैया रुको।
In this one, we see a couple of yaks battling for dominance of the herd as their contest spills out onto the road. Hey guys, let's go diving and film some cool fish just swimming around. Yeah, cool, sounds fun. Okay, surprise, a humongous shark just showed up out of nowhere and wants to eat you. Eels may look like snakes, but they're actually fish. They breathe through gills and cannot survive outside the water. This example here is quite majestic and looks like something from a bygone era. Thanks for watching another winner from Viral Monkey. Please, friend, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next incredible installment from Viral Monkey. See you soon!